Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to your favorite marketing podcast channel where we discuss marketing and everything in between. Here you have your favorite host Miracle and
Oluwaseyi.
we're so excited to have you here again. And also if you have any marketing topics you'd like us to cover, anything you'd like us to see or do, let us know in the comments and we'll be very much delighted to talk about it.
Trust us with that. Yes. Miracle, tell us, what are we talking about today?
Everyone knows the uprise in artificial intelligence, and there's been a call, especially in marketing, is AI going to come and take our jobs? Bearing in mind that right now we have AI that can help with content generation.
Exactly. Content generation, creation, video,
you can literally
audio.
Create you weekly content.
I'm telling
and
you,
it is done.
It is done. Then you now carry from ChatGPT, go to copy AI. Copy AI will give you the design copy, will give you the caption copy.
Then you now put it on Canva.
In Canva, that you should generate video for you. If you want to generate video, I mean, you should generate design template for you. Canva. Do you know that Canva said from a casual wear to a corporate picture?
Really?
Canva AI. I tried it recently. One picture that I really liked that had full makeup on. The dress I wanted to use it for a corporate stuff. And then I've been seeing it. I said, let me try this Canva AI today. I took it to Canva. Canva generated different pictures.
Wow.
And then it gave me a proper dress.
Is it a free?
It's still a free version. It's still part of the free version.
Sure
AI is.
Do you think social media manager is still going to be a job in the next 5 years?
Definitely yes.
Why so?
And you remember in our last episode that we said that at some point each platform would have somebody managing it.
I said yes.
Exactly.
Yes,
We're not saying that.
yes.
Oh, we have an Instagram manager, a TikTok manager.
Yes. So now, for brands that are now saying that, I can literally just tell ChatGPT this is what I do. Do you think we would still have a social media, and why?
We will, because number one, AI is artificial intelligence. That's one. Yes. That's why it is artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Where we are now, right now, in the world of social media, it is more of personalization and humanizing your brand. You cannot bring AI to give you that connection that people want to relate with. So it will only help you, but it cannot do the job of the human.
Yes.
So that's why when people ask me, can AI take my job as a marketer? Can AI take my... No. AI can help me, but AI can take my job as a marketer if I'm not smart or intelligent.
I think at this point you need to drop the mic. Yes.
Drop the mic.
Yes, I completely agree, because I feel like the social media managers or the marketers in general that will stand the test of time beyond now are those that have understood how to utilize AI.
Exactly. How to utilize AI.
First off, I think what we need to establish is that marketers need to stop seeing AI as an enemy.
Yeah, you need to see it as your friend.
Scrap the idea of, oh, I don't like this ChatGPT. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like that. Start seeing it as an enabler.
Yeah. AI is supposed to make your life
easier.
Make it easier. That's
not as, for example, now we have bots here and there, but again, nothing going to take the place. There was a video I was watching, right? And there are restaurants that you have.
Robots that serve the food.
And somebody said something very, very important. It was like, but that takes away the love from the food.
Do you understand? When somebody comes to serve me in a restaurant and smiles at me or recommends something for me, and I'm like, oh, have you tried this food before? And you're like, oh, it's nice. Why is robot? It's nice. It looks fancy, but I just want to still get that human interaction. And I was reading an article recently, and they're like saying, oh, they still want to train AI to like these robots and everything to give the human feeling and that personal touch. Humans, our subconscious will still always tell us that this is a machine and not a human being that I am interacting with.
The connection.
Yeah, it will still be off.
How do you think marketers can utilize AI in this present day?
For me, I would my advice to marketers, and that's what I do, is that, like you already mentioned, AI is supposed to make your job easier. It's okay, because as marketers, there are creatives in marketing as well, and at some point you get this creative block where you don't even know what to think of. Your head is not doing anything. AI can help you if you are smart. On like there are a lot of times that it helps as well, but again, as a marketer, utilize it such that when you prompt it to give you what it needs to give you, there is also that point where you're supposed to take it just as an idea to take you from level A to a level B, so that you can achieve your level C goal.
I like what you're saying, because a lot of people just take in and out, take from ChatGPT.
See, if I see a ChatGPT work, I will know.
Yes.
I was taking a class recently on social media marketing, and I gave them an assignment to create a user persona for a fictional business. And then I went through the assignments. And the ones that really did the assignments, I knew. The ones that used AI, ChatGPT, I knew.
Exactly.
You will always know. You need to still put your own ideas.
Elements.
You need to reiterate, find ways to always add that special touch, that the human part, that oh yes, this was well thought through, and you apply it to what is actually happening. You don't just lift off and then put it there because obviously you just be smart about it.
Exactly. So what are your thoughts to business owners that now think that, oh, there's AI, why do I need? Because some people will not even be telling you that, are you not a social media manager? It's all you need to do, not to just put it on ChatGPT and ask questions. What are your thoughts to business owners that are undermining the marketing career because there is AI?
They're setting up themselves, because when they are having that mindset, there are people that, if that's what you have in your head, there are people that will give you that thing, and then when you now see the results for yourself, you will understand that it's not just AI that will do the job. Can go and bring content that they will copy and paste for you. But the algorithm, by the time algorithms show you shaking, you will humble yourself.
And again, for example, just like what you said, people can connect to what is humanized.
Exactly.
And people can connect to what, for example, now we are talking, and we are just talking of authentic conversations, things that we imagine we got a script on ChatGPT and we're reading. And so marketing can help you, AI can help you. You wouldn't be able to.
You understand? You will know that this is just robotic, and that's not what it is about. And that's why, as much as possible, I want to switch into metaverse a little bit, right? And where in the metaverse we are planning that people are still able to interact, but then in metaverse version, and still AI related simulation and all of those things. It still needs. They are doing that because they feel like people want to still interact one-on-one, and they want to still that physical thing, that even though we are in a virtual world, we are still able to now still say, oh, we are trying to see a representative or a replica of ourselves, and not just robots. So at the end of the day, artificial intelligence is good, makes life easier, but it's not entirely. If you know your job, if you're smart enough and an intelligent person, that you know your onions, AI is supposed to be your help.
Exactly.
And not you should not be scared of AI.
Yes, I think the honest of this conversation is to understand that AI is an enabler. Don't see it as an enemy. As a marketer, ask yourself, what creative ways can I utilize AI to make my work better? Do you understand? I'm a social media manager, for example. I can ask AI to help me. This is my business, help me with this. But then I take that idea, then now put it in practical real life situation and come up with explosive content. As a digital marketer, you can ask AI, I need to create ads for this brand and all. And you think that with your knowledge, you implement.
But that's what you've done in the past, and then suggestions AI has given you. How do you want to utilize it?
Exactly. You're trying to write a blog post, for example. You tell AI, write a blog post on this topic. You still take it and you still humanize it.
Exactly.
I think what this thing is teaching us, just like what she said, that it's only the smart people that will skill. What this thing is teaching us, that we need to upskill. If you're still seeing yourself as just that normal social media manager, or that just writing 2 posts a day or 3 posts, or there's no extra touch to you, it clearly means that your CEO or your business owner can just use ChatGPT.
Just use you around, exactly.
So the importance of upskilling and you being up to par with what's happening trends and all of those things is going to be extremely important.
I think pretty much that's what it is that I wanted to share today. And as much as possible, like she has already mentioned, upskill yourself, be current with trends, and always have that personal thing that sets you apart, to say that when anybody comes to say, is it just to do this, to do this, to do this, you're ready to tell them beyond this, this is what it is, and you're explicitly saying it, that this is how it should be done, or all of that, and not just say
be a good marketer on behalf of all of us.
All of us.
So because of you, they will not say AI can.
Please be guided.
Thank you so much for listening. We trust you found value in this conversation. Share to all those your friends that are saying AI is going to take your job. Continue the conversation in the comments. What do you think?
I'd like to hear your opinion.
What do you think? Come your way next time. Bye. Don't forget to like,
subscribe, share, and listen.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.